we're going to review how to complete the daily health screening for your Santa Rosa City Schools student. You can access the form either on the ParentSquare app on your mobile device using the Submit Daily Health Screening option, or by going to ParentSquare.com on a computer in any web browser. Once you get to ParentSquare.com, select Sign In and enter your login information. Whether you're on a mobile device or a computer, once you are signed into your account, you will see the option to complete the daily health screening. That might be on the right-hand side or down at the bottom. Select the Submit Daily Screening button, and it will open a form for you to complete for your students. You should see your student names. You have the option to select all students at once. When you select all students at once, you'll complete the information for all of your kids at the same time. Review the questions, and if your answer to no is no to all the questions, select the Answer No to All Questions option. You can also answer the questions individually. Once you're done, scroll down to the bottom, double check your information, and electronically sign your form. Your name has to be exactly as it is in your ParentSquare account. Select Submit, and you are done for the day. You can always go back and view your submissions on the health screening page. If you have any questions, please let us know.